ESP32 breadboard, soldering set, wire tape, wire, LED red and white color, buzzer, jumper wire, brown paper box. I use this to set up a floor and a wall. Coffee and soap box. I use this to create a fireplace. A3 thick paper. I use this with a gift box, pillow, and the thick part of the Christmas tree. Paint brush and acrylic color. I use thick A3 paper, roll it, make it to be something like this, and then cut the part that's too long out. And then use a A4 paper, thin one, fold it and cut it, separate it into pieces. Use one piece, fold it and cut it like this. And then put this on the A3 thick paper one. I cut the Christmas LED out of their battery and then put it around the Christmas tree. I fold the soap paper box, make it as a fireplace. I cut the A3 thick paper, make it to be a wallpaper. Then put everything come together, coloring all of the components. Here is floor, background, like completely, fireplace, chair, floor and wallpaper, and then put everything together. Here with the gift box. I also put some doll that I have in my house too. Now is the coding part. I will tell you what program that I use, which is the Arduino Uno here. And here is the Blink website. Click Start Free and Sign in. Here is my project look like in the phone. We have 4 slider to control 4 LED part, fireplace 1, fireplace 2, star, and Christmas tree. At the code, you have to tell them that what your Wi-Fi and your password Wi-Fi here is mine. Click 3 dot here to edit the dashboard. I got my slider from here. See? You can add the information of the slide by click here the setting in that slide. See? Set the name of it and the data stream here too. We have to create the data stream to know that this component is what we call it, like V9, V6, V7, and I already create it here. To create the data stream, just click here, new data stream, visual pin, and then set up it, the name of it, set up the pin of it, and the integer here, and make the max is 255. It will not allow you to use the pin that you used before. See? Now back to the dashboard. Click setup here. Yes, and then click the data stream. You should choose the data stream that you create here, like now is grade 1 V6. And I do like it in every slider of me. Like the first one is V9, the second one is V6, V10 for the star, and V11 for the Christmas tree. Now save and apply here. can control the brightness of the light here. Like here is the maximum, and now turn off maximum at 255, half of the brightness, and then turn it off. This control will link to our phone by downloading the app link in our phone too. You will see this page in our phone in app link. Now go to Arduino Uno. I will explain the coding here. Here is where we put our Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi password. This code we copy from the Blink website at the beginning of the starting project. It will give us like the beginning of the code, and copy it, place it to the blank page of Arduino here. See, the upper part would be the library and the global variable that we set up. It have void setup and void loop down there too. Void loop will like run in a loop. Do you get it? Yes, not safe here. Here, this upper part is my library. Here. Go down to here. Blink right. You see, this is V9. Next one is V6. Next one is V10, which is the pin that we set in the data stream. And down in the same void is have like analog write 2 value. This 2 is the pin from the ESP32 lake. So data stream V9 will go to the pin 2 of the ESP32, as the same as V6, which it will go to the lake 4 of ESP32. Here I do it all with our LED. We have 4 LED, which is fireplace 1, fireplace 2, star, and Christmas tree. Where one data stream with one leg of the ESP32. I match everything, and then we have to set our hardware like link to that component, link the one that link to the slider fireplace to the LED of the fireplace 1, something like that, and do that in every pin, which is we have like 4 pins, so we have to do like 4 times. This part is for buzzer. We will play Jingle Bell song, and this is the note for Jingle Bell song. They have a difference between Arduino Uno and ESP32. If we use Arduino Uno, we can use tone function, but for ESP32, tone function is not declared, so we have to change it. You can see that we didn't use tone function here. Now I plug all of the LED to ESP32 and also plug buzzer to ESP32 too. And I plug it followed by the code that we code at the coding part. Now let's taste it. Let's see it in the dark light. Now times for the buzzer. Let's play Jingle Bell song.